Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a fun activity for your little ones. This activity is perfect for kids who are working on developing their fine motor skills and working on counting and number recognition. To make this activity, we're going to start out by tracing a shirt onto some felt and then cutting it out. We're going to do that several times. I'm going to make 4 shirts for this activity. On the first shirt, I will sew on 4 buttons, and then on the next one, I will sew on 3, then 2, then 1. Next, I'm going to need a piece of cardboard, 2 craft sticks, and a long piece of yarn. I'm going to use these to make our clothesline. I'm going to tie the yarn onto the top end of each craft stick. Then I'm going to stretch it out and place 1 craft stick on each side. Now we have our laundry line. I will use a glue gun to secure the craft sticks on the outer sides of the cardboard. Next, I will trace the 4 shirts under the clothesline. Finally, I will use marker to outline the shirts and write numbers on them. When the activity is all made, your child will look at the number on the shirt, find the shirt with that number of buttons on it, and then use a pincher grip to hold the clothespin and hang it on the clothesline where it belongs. I hope your little one enjoys this activity. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.